Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you a new product from Binize, which aka is T-Box. First of all, it's plug and play, and it will bring you a brand new Android 9 system, and also support wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. The first step of using these features, you needed to connect to Bluetooth first of all, and what you will get is just the classical CarPlay page, support phone calling, navigation, and music playing. Have to mention the Apple Map will always show you a very fabulous and amazing vision about checking the routing. You can even check the whole Earth. That is really incredible. At the same time, it also supports playing the soundless music. The long road trip will not be boring anymore. Don't press the button at the left down corner, it will call Siri out. Also support to check settings, you can choose different wallpaper here. Just like all the CarPlay feature, it will also bring you 3 split page about the CarPlay using. It also supports Android phone, which we can use the Android Auto or MirrorLink. The same first step need to connect to the Bluetooth first of all, and what you will get is also the classical Android Auto page. You will be able to check the navigation to playing your music and also to calling someone you like.